websites as a six-figure marketer, sell the same products as a six-figure marketer, and get the same traffic as a six-figure marketer, wouldn't that increase your chances of profiting exponentially? Now, it sounds so simple, but there's a problem. Who has the skills to write copy like this? The time to build a pro website like this? The ability to get free buyer traffic that converts? The money to develop their own software? And the time to put it all together today? Without needing a team of programmers, designers, and